All I can say is that regardless of party divide, it is my wish for Edo to be governed in peace and harmony, because the supra party to which we all belong to is the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The political parties, even the rates of Kampi and the Kampi shows that the only that is constant is Nigeria, not the political parties. To that extent, as someone who have had the rare privilege of being the chief steward at Osadebe Avenue, it's my wish that this government and even future government, regardless of the political platform, govern in peace and help to that we have peace and harmony. But what I read, if it is I was referring to about somebody going to court to complain about, quote, suspicion about being impeached, I don't know how courts adjudicate over suspicion. Maybe I'm a very poor legal student. I don't know about that. But let me say this. To say that somebody wants to run to APC, APC is not a rehabilitation center. I can tell you that for free. We in APC, we are satisfied the way we are. We are happy in opposition. And we are not about to receive people who are coming because they have lost out. No IDP cap in APC. So my advice is those who are having challenges should learn to respect their bosses. And many of you will attest to this, and that is what gives me joy. I have always advised people, whoever you work with, be loyal. I was here, I was unable, whether I was right or wrong, it's a matter for individuals to judge. I was unable to support my deputy to succeed me, right? But my deputy never took me to court. And if there are people who profit only from crisis, they cannot have my support. And I also do understand, regardless of what anybody will say, I come from one of the clans from my local government. I'm not talking of Edo State now, from my local government. I come from only one of the clans. And even based on the principle of fairness, it would be nice if only my clan produced governors. But I know that Nigeria doesn't work that way. There are those sentiments that people feel at this level of development that things should go around. But I pray that God is able to help for us to all have peace. I don't wish it of anybody. God has been faithful to me. I didn't know how I could become a governor. And I didn't know how I could become a chairman. I also didn't know how I was removed as chairman. And now I don't know how God made me a senator. We had some city governors fail to make the same election. With beaver that doesn't allow you to cheat and to post figures that you didn't earn. So I've learned to trust God, to take control. And we must pray according to the Bible. We must pray for our leaders. Regardless of what you think, we are joined by God to pray for our leaders. So in moments like this, all of you and all of us should pray for the governor of our state so that he will govern us well for the benefit of all. That's all I can say.